snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one.
Alright, so I forgot to hit record. I'm so sorry. But at this point is when you're going to want to put your bread, like your... Yeah, I know. Your breadcrumb mixture and butter mixture on top of your... on top of your mac and cheese, and then you're going to go ahead and bake it at 400 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes or so, or until it's golden brown and beautiful and so delicious. And then you're going to just let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes so it can set, and then you are all set to eat.
Yesterday